The Mementos of the English Martyrs and Confessors for Every Day of the Year by Henry Sebastian Bowden. April 4th, the last of his line. Bishop Goldwell of St. Asaph, 1585. Born of ancient lineage at Grantchart, Kent, a scholar of All Souls, known as a mathematician, he became rector at Cheriton, Kent. In 1534, to avoid the oath of supremacy, he went to Rome and was appointed sub-president of the English Hospice and chaplain to Pole. He now entered the lately founded Theatine order and in attendance on Pole assisted at the conclave of Paul III. In 1553, he was sent to England at the insistence of Charles V to communicate with the newly crowned Queen Mary regarding her marriage to Philip II, and by her was promoted to the see of St. Asaph, where he showed his zeal in establishing ecclesiastical discipline. On Elizabeth's accession, finding himself unable to discharge any episcopal duty, he returned to Rome and was chosen superior of the Roman house of his order. He assisted at the Council of Trent and helped to found the English College with the endowments of the hospice. Prevented by ill health and great age from returning to give his life in England as he desired, he died in Rome, April 3rd, 1584, aged 85, the last of the ancient English hierarchy and no unworthy representative of his saintly predecessors.